Elon Musk is out of Doge and Tesla is back. What an insane move today. Plus 9.3 strikes. Here's how you could have crushed it using rigged AI. When we look at the top 5 alerts, one contract, no stop loss, no take profit. Let that baby run. Let your winners ride smooth like an electric vehicle. And you're turning $1,475.50 into $8,200, a 455.52% return. We're here looking at rigged AI. You can come to the website, check all this out, see it for yourself. We're not making it up. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Here's how you can make this happen yourself. First and foremost, this is a Friday. Tesla options expire on Friday, which makes them super volatile. You get a move like this, you're going to get 400 or 500%. But this has everything we want to see in a session, okay? Let's look at the open, just the start of this thing. The first thing that we look for is volume, and you're at 135% opening, which is like great to see. But look at this line. When this thing goes blue and you see this green, this is exponential growth. Exponential. And look how the volume line matches the price line. When we see volume spiking like this, I mean, you're going from 125% of average to 239. We need a new mode for this because it's going sicko. It is the most active probably options in the entire market. And that's how you get 9 strikes. Volume going up tells us the move is likely to continue. So how do we know? Up, down, left, right? The thing you want to look for is this on fire. And essentially what this does, this tells you when an option alert hits 100% in under an hour. So you're getting KTR for this bull bomb right here at 9:53. At 10:11, 20 minutes, it's already returned 100%. You come in, you look at the chart. This is all you're seeing, right? At the time. You can see volume is spiking, okay? Volume spiking, you're getting the on fire notification. Not only that, but what happens next is we get an edge bull. That is a 40% win rate. Edge means it has high probability. That 40% win rate is reliable, and that is a perfect trade. Never draws down, prices never lower after that. Fantastic, amazing, beautiful. You're getting more bulls on the way up, and volume's going, everything's flowing, it's rocking and rolling. Strategy. So the check 3.56, and we are at the high of the day. Caution for bulls, expect a violent 2+ strike nuke. We're going to trade bulls, be able to +2 after 1+ strike nuke. So you want to pull back before we enter a trade. Strategy, extremely bullish. Rare session, bull trend potential, BL +6 and higher. Okay, let's look at this thing. We do the check at 10:30, right here in the nice pink line. Immediately we go up 1, 2, 3 strikes. Okay, we go up 3, you pull back here to 275, and ultimately you didn't get a 2-strike pullback. That's how crazy this move was. But if you can mentally say like, hey, love all these alerts, love them all, but we want a pullback, right? It's just gone straight up. There's always going to be a pullback. And then you get right here, it breaks below 275, which is +5, and then it just flies. Right? It's actually never lower than 275 the rest of the entire session. This was a rare one. This was unique. this is only something you're going to be able to pull off on a Friday. We get the +9 here at 12:45, and for the rest of the session, it's kind of a ping pong. We don't push to +10. You don't break +8. When you think of it in terms of strikes, +9 is the high of the day. And the thing you have to keep in mind, it's like, okay, this is the high, and we had a chance to go +10. We didn't do it. You get a pullback. Beautiful trade. KTR right here. It doesn't get 100% at the end of the day, but you do get 170, 54 minutes. It's beautiful, and that's basically a 2-strike pullback. But when we retest the high and it doesn't go, it doesn't break, and it's the same thing as retesting a low and it doesn't break, you're probably going lower. Now, I'm not sure why you would want to trade bears all the way up here. It can work. As you can see, with an hour left to go in the session, we're telling you 51.69% win rate, and that did return 100%. But typically, it's not something we want to mess with unless we're right here at the high of the day. This stuff on the way up, man, when price is just ripping and immediately getting bought up, incredible. Right here at the end, like the last hour is just unreal. +8 holds, you get a little bounce above, we go below it. I mean, look at this thing, 350% in 22 minutes. And how much did this option even cost? Wow, you're going from $61, ending at $243. That's incredible. And what did they do? They brought it back to the high of the day. +9. So really, you had to be there early to catch most of the meat. There were some really good trades after, but in summary, On Fire is like the absolute best thing. Like, you can have volume, which obviously we do, and this is flying, and this is crazy, and this is unreal. But sometimes you don't get matching price action. But here, we're already telling you, 1013, this is on fire. This is on fire. It's returning 100%. And guess what? If you go 100% in under an hour, it's likely to go 200% or more. And not only that, 1011, we get here to 1022, 10 minutes later, you're getting an edge bull bomb. 40% win rate, has probability, bam. Perfect trade, biggest mistake you could have made, taking 100% when it went 300. When we get to the top, it gets a little bit crazy up here. Typically, we'll only turn bulls on because that's the only thing that we're looking for. And you want to pull back more than one strike and really get one here. And this is the closest one to 2. And, 170% in an hour, that's pretty good. Incredible to see. Tesla is back. 0 DTE Friday. Where it's at. Man, oh man. Don't trade this Monday through Thursday. Not the same. Options way more expensive. Fridays, you get the volume flying like this. Just hop on, take the ride, and this thing until 12:45, when you get +9, it was a money printer. It didn't pull back more than one strike the entire time. Volume's 255%. Incredible. I mean, let's hope we get some more Fridays like this. Who says no? Not us.